So here we have the Carolina Garden Trail. This is a representation of the crops that were grown in the Carolinas from indigenous times up through today.
So when we were conceiving of this project, we thought it was important to try to represent and discuss the number of plants and crops that have taken us through the history of the Carolinas.
The crops have changed over time. We're going to see everything from pre-colonization. Big crops included things like lamb's quarter. After colonization, things like wheat, things like soybeans, things like okra. And then those changed to things like cotton and tobacco. And then even cotton and tobacco have been slowly phased out. And now we see things like corn, soybeans.
We sort of built this as an experiential way to see kind of the connection between plants and people. It may look like a garden that an ordinary North Carolinian might have in their backyard.
As the year goes on, you're going to see all kinds of different things because crops are seasonal. We have winter crops in the Carolinas, we have summer crops in the Carolinas, we have spring crops in the Carolinas. So just like every part of this whole garden, this is very much a garden that you need to come through 4 times a year to really see the entirety of what we're planting out here and what we're producing.
My students in an honors class actually helped to identify the plants that we installed here in the garden based on historical period, and they also helped write the copy that you'll see on the signs.
One thing that we're really excited about with this trail is the opportunity to use it to educate kids who are in school learning about history. So often you learn about history and there's no physical connection to it. Well, this trail is going to offer us the opportunity to let kids actually see how history has changed.
This gives you a place to visit to see sort of a deeper connection, a deeper meaning between why we cook what we do, why we eat what we do, and how plants and crops evolved over our history as North Carolinians.